This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the phone and HP printer are on the same Wi-Fi network. This avoids routing problems. Open Google Play, install and launch HP Smart, and grant location and storage permissions so the app can find printers. Once done, tap the plus or add printer icon to start searching. Make sure the printer is powered on and shows a ready or Wi-Fi indicator. If the printer supports Bluetooth setup, enable Bluetooth on your phone to speed discovery. After the app discovers the printer, select it and follow the on-screen configuration prompts to join your Wi-Fi network or complete WPS pairing. This writes network details to the printer so future prints are direct. You'll see options to set paper size, orientation, and print quality. Adjust these now to avoid mismatches. Once configured, print a test page from HP Smart. This confirms communication and lets you tweak margins or scaling. Now you can open a document or photo, choose Share or Print, and select the HP printer added in HP Smart. Adjust copies and range, then tap Print. If the printer does not appear, restart the printer and phone and reconnect to the same Wi-Fi. Make sure mobile data is off to prevent network switching. If problems persist, update printer firmware and HP Smart, verify router settings allow device discovery, and try connecting via WPS as a fallback. This fixes most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.